are more manageable than boys.
But in ancient history, kings are only boys.
I think girl manage in aeroplane air hostage.
You are not aware. You are not aware.
As we have listened previously that the practice makes perfect. So man is the always a perfect, and man is the only one who is serving to whole world. I have given you.
डोमेस्टिक भी और बाहर का भी कर सकते हैं.
कर सकते हैं, but not always.
He do.
But not all boys.
Yes,
But
yes,
every
do.
girl can manage.
I do.
Because
तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं.
Can do both work, household work also and outside or work also.
at the same time, and also at the same time they can care their husband, their mother-in-law, father-in-law, their children at the same time. But in boys can do one thing. अगर अच्छे से कर पाए तो करते, अदरवाइज
क्या करूं फिर जॉब छोड़ दूं?
Boys are also do two works. डोमेस्टिक भी और बाहर का भी कर सकते हैं.
कर सकते हैं, but not always.
He do.
But
He
not
do.
all boys.
Yes,
But
yes,
every
do.
girl can manage.
I do.
Because now you are not
I can
married.
do.
No, you are not married and you don't have. So now you have living in other area like far away your family. So obviously you have to manage your household work. So you have to manage both the things. But as compare in girls, so girls are more manageable than boys.
But in ancient history, kings are only boys. He is a good manager. Yes, perfect.
But now girls is equally for boys. So you cannot say that time boys are kings and that time they are also kings.
Please explain.
So you can say that now if a boy fly an aeroplane, so girls also can. If a boy can manage a district, so girls also can manage district, not only home.
I think girl manage in aeroplane air hostage.
You are not aware. You are not aware. Really, you are not aware about what's going in our world. Really, you are not aware.
Girls has patient, that's why girls is air hostage, you know.
As you have given your statement, which is so I appreciate that the girls are responsible, but I want to say that you have do you know who is the Elon Musk? Do you know? I think you know who is the Elon Musk. And if you are talk about the director of the many of the companies, if I talk about the director of a teleperformance, and also if I talk about the ISRO chief, okay, so there are let me tell you that how many of the boys or how many of the gents are there working. Like if I talk about the BPO sector, so there are the 90% of the mains are the senior director and they are the only manager. And also if you are talking about the equality, so I want to let you know that the boys are the only who take care the most of the, and you were as you serve your first point that the boys are not responsible for their children and also to their family. But if someone has got to face their problem in any of the condition by hooks and crooks, so he will do that condition just because of they are not they are like if you were talking about the boys, so they haven't faced any of that like situations ever. But if they got any of the situations, so they will face because the condition makes a man perfect. As we have listened previously that the practice makes perfect. So man is always a perfect, and man is the only one who is serving to whole world. I have given you most of the example. I have given you ISRO. I have given you Tesla. You know who is the Tesla? The Tesla is one of the most expensive car in the world. and it is the electric car. And also I have told you the example of the chief of the ISRO, and I also have told you the example of the BPO sector, which are the field of the only the mains. The only mains are serving for.
You did not know about the country Finland, where the president is also a woman and vice president is also a woman, and all the responsibilities of the country is on the shoulder of women.
You know about the Kalpana Chawla.
So
She is the one.
tell me, what is the responsibility of Draupadi Murmu? What all the responsibilities of Draupadi Murmu? What is the role of क्या है?
We are giving
राष्ट्रपति. What is the
we are
role of a
giving
राष्ट्रपति?
example. We are giving example. We are giving example.
I'm talking.
No. If you are talking about that, so you must know about the roles and responsibilities of क्या बोलते हैं उसको, राष्ट्रपति. What is the roles and responsibilities
So
of
not
a
we are not
राष्ट्रपति?
aware of that.
I have
Yeah.
told you the example. I have given you the example. All of that. I know the responsibilities and roles.
Did you have hear the name of Kalpana Chawla? She is the one who went in space.
You know name of Rakesh Sharma?
So,
हाँ भैया, तुम कहते हैं यार.
but Kalpana Chawla, she is the one. But Kalpana Chawla, so she is the one who went first, not boys.
हाँ. Rakesh Sharma, if a Indian person is going to moon, you name Kalpana Chawla. हाँ, तो वो पहले चल गया ना, राकेश शर्मा पहले गया.
Mary Kom is the first boxer of India.
But many boxer in India, many.
Second, we are talking about.
रुको.
Indira Gandhi was the first woman Prime Minister of India.
Yes.
She is the first woman.
Yes. बस. But 3 or 4 before.
Abhishek said कि BPO sector only men doing work, but I am saying
I have told you previously that the most of the
no, but present time 80% woman doing work BPO sector, and also BPO sector woman
Let's
doing
complete
work
your
all
point
time.
first. Let's complete your point first.
You
I
are
will-
wrong. And every field actually that's social media and that society, they haven't give facilities for girl. ठीक है, मतलब गर्ल को कोई ना फैसिलिटीज वो देती नहीं है, नहीं तो तुमसे ज्यादा गर्ल ऊपर उठ सकती है.
एक मिनट
हाँ, नहीं देते.
एक मिनट शांति. Have you completed your point?
बात ये हो रही है कि कौन ज्यादा इंटेलिजेंट है.
Okay.
ठीक है,
I have got your
कौन
point.
मैनेज कर सकता है, तो मैनेज ना लड़कियों से ज्यादा कोई भी नहीं कर सकता. बॉयज तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं कर सकते.
Okay. Like as you said, the girls are the best managers. So if you are talking about the managers, who is the best manager? So the boys, okay. First of all, the girls do not have a. What did you say
Manager.
previously? No. Your point was like that they do not have a support from the other side.
Yeah.
Like I want to let you know.
Opportunity.
I want to let you know the most of the girls, if you go outside, so they have a freedom. They have a responsibility. They have a.
कुछ ही लोग सपोर्ट करते
Okay,
हैं, बाकी
okay.
कुछ नहीं करते.
ऐसा कैसे बोल सकते हो? शिवराज सिंह चौहान ने कितनी सारी the CM of the Shivraj Singh Chauhan, they have given you lots of support. If I talk about the Ladli
में
Yojana, they have given a
लड़कियों
lots
को
of a
ऊपर
chances to
उठने
the
नहीं
girls
दिया
to grow.
जाता है.
Okay, and also if I talk about the many things.
लड़कियों को आगे बढ़ने के लिए तभी तो हम लोग पीछे हैं.
अरे भाई जब तो लड़कियां सिगरेट पी रहे हैं सड़क पे जाके, जब तो लड़कियां सिगरेट पी रही है.
I am asking to you that you are living with whom?
We are.
You are living with whom? Only you.
I am living with myself.
Only yourself. So how can you manage your room?
Okay, I manage my job is I need to get up every day at 4 o'clock. So I manage all of that work myself, and also to my father and also to my mother. I manage all of them.
इनसे पूछ लो जो बैठे हैं ये कितना काम करते हैं आपको छोड़ के, जो घर वालों के साथ रहते हैं. अरे घर जाके देख लेंगे, एक भी चीज अगर उस जगह पे मिली तो बता देना.
You say that you are living with your mother and father. So what if your mother goes to maternal family for 2 months? How can you manage your family?
Before 15 days, my mother had gone to do a Tirth Yatra. Okay, and I was
Only for 15 days.
Okay, before the 15 days, she has gone to their mother's house. So I was managing myself, and always I manage myself from myself.
Okay, are you able to cook food and
Yes, I am
do
able to.
all the
I
outside
did this.
works?
I do all.